Oops. Oh, no, that doesn't go there, sweetie. You had it right the first time. You had it right the first time.
Alright, then set it up, dude. On the TV.
Awesome.
Press the button. Press the button on the
Get another
stereo.
piece.
Press the button on the TV. And then open up the cabinet. Press the button all the way on the left on the stereo.
Sophie, you're doing it. Uh-oh. Go ahead, put it on.
Alright, and then open up the cabinet, turn on the button on the stereo on the left hand side. You're going to have to stand up.
Turn it where it was. There you go.
There you go. The round button on the bottom left of the stereo.
Sophie, worry about yourself.
Okay, there's a round button on the bottom of the
Try a different part of the cow.
Nope, round button, bottom left. All the way bottom left.
No, I don't think that works.
All the way.
I don't think that works. That's not going to work. Try right there. Go all the way in the corner, Soph. Sophie, in the corner. There you go.
There you go, there's Monster Jam.
Sophie, you are doing awesome.